people think you need hundreds of thousands of subscribers, yet alone millions of subscribers, to make just $100 a day on YouTube. But let me tell you guys something. You don't need any of that. Alright, I'm technically classified as a small channel of 20,000 subscribers, and I'm going to show you guys in today's video how you can bring in passively, like in your sleep, like literally just dropping two to three, 4 videos a week, how you can make $100 a day. Now, this is not guaranteed. Of course, I have to put this out there, but with the right videos, the right RPM, and the right niche, and just patience, you can do this. And just as we are about to get ready to start our 90-day run coming up soon in March, I want to put you guys on. Like, I really want to put you guys on. I want you guys to be making that extra income, because I'm trying to tell you guys, if you guys do this right, trust and believe. As you guys can see right here, I've been bringing in about almost $100 a day. Anywhere from 80 to $120 a day passively on YouTube, just posting videos. I don't do a lot of crazy edits. I don't have 100 million subscribers. I just post. I just got the right RPM, the right niche. I'm patient, and I post the right videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down what you guys need to post and what's gonna help you hit that milestone. So what's good, YouTube? Y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut. As y'all can see today, I'm putting y'all on. Make sure y'all listen up. This video was highly requested. A lot of y'all been asking, like, hey, drop more videos about how to make more money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, what videos I should post, what niche I should go for, the whole 9 yards. So please pay attention. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm finna put y'all on. And mind you, this is strictly ad revenue. This is not what all those other YouTubers be talking about. Oh, affiliate marketing, affiliate links, get sponsorships, sell courses, sell digital product. No, this is simply ad revenue. This is you put a video out there, you get the money. Simple as that. A fair exchange. I'm going to keep this as simple as possible. I'm not going to confuse you guys with none of that other bull crap that all these other content creators try to sell y'all. I'm gonna keep it simple. All right, because I know that's how a lot of people like it. So let's hop straight into it. So first off, what does $100 a day on YouTube actually look like? And what does it actually mean on YouTube? Simple as this. $100 a day, $3,000 a month. First off, don't that sound pretty good? $3,000 passively each month. Don't sound too bad, especially for a 90-day run. No cap. That's $9,000 on a 90-day run passively. I don't think you guys understand. I'm saying passively with a bold explanation point, because passively means you're not doing anything. You're sleeping. You're literally not doing anything. Okay? So YouTube pays based on RPM. All right? Revenue per mile. YouTube pays every 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views, depending on what your RPM is, that's how much you are going to make. For example, I'm going to show you guys what the best RPMs are, so you can hit this milestone without having to have hundreds and thousands of views. All right? Literally, finance and motivation, that is what I do. That RPM goes anywhere from $8 to 20, possibly even 25. All right? This makes it so easy. Literally, you can get like 500 views on a video and still bring in like $8 from that one video. That's not a lot of views. Imagine if you get like 10,000 views, you can literally bring in like 200, anywhere from $100 to $200 off just 10,000 views. Simple as that, right? Lifestyle and vlogs bring anywhere from $3 to $6 RPM, okay? Entertainment, this is what you kind of want to stay away from. It only brings in about $2 to $4. So try to do something that means something to the people out here, right? For example, a $10 RPM, right? You could hit $100 a day off a $10 RPM. All you would need is 10,000 views a day. Now, let me explain to you guys something. This does not mean that you have to post a video and it has to do 10,000 views, right? This is why you become consistent. You post 2 to 3 to 4 times a week. This is where that comes in, because the more and more videos you post, the more revenue that it's going to bring in over time, right? Because those videos are still doing numbers. Those videos are still going up. So you're going to continue to keep making money from those videos. So basically what I mean by get 10,000 views in a day, Get 10,000 views all together from your entire channel, right? That's why you guys see me post every single day, because not only am I getting revenue from the video that I just posted today, I'm getting revenue from the 100 million videos that I posted back then. You guys get what I'm saying? So you do not have to hit 10,000 views on one video. It can be your whole channel. And it's still money. It's the same thing. A $15 RPM, right? That's only 6,700 views a day. Even better, a $20 RPM. Now we talking finance, motivation, things like that. Me personally, I only have to do about 4,000 to 5,000 views a day just to see $100. And I'm averaging at about, right now I've been averaging like 1,000 to 2,000 views per video. So think about that, bro. So basically, the more value you bring to the table, the less views you have to do, and the more money you're going to make. And then it's going to be so passive. It's going to be so easy. You're going to be in your flow state, because it's going to come so natural to you. And it's going to be so simple, bro. And it's going to be like a second job. It's going to be like, it's going to help you save. It's going to help you stack so much faster, man. Like, I'm really putting y'all on. This is a volume game mixed with smart niches. This game is all about being smart, picking a niche that is valuable. Not trying to be the next Mike Epps, not trying to be the next funny Mike. That's not going to get you any money for real. Being valuable and teaching people how to do things, which I'm going to get to that later on. Let me not spoil that too fast. So the niches that make $100 a day, like I said, personal finance is at number one. Personal finance, like that's literally teaching people how to save. How to save videos are making the most money right now. Why do you guys think that I'm always teaching you guys how to save? Not just saying that I'm doing it for the money, but hey, might as well. And if I'm already good at saving money, why not get more money from teaching you guys how to save money? You guys get what I'm saying? So take some of these videos that I do, piggyback off me, copy and paste what I do, so you can start making some money. You know, you guys get what I'm saying? I don't care if you copy me. I don't care if you copy and paste me from word for word. Hey, you got my permission. Reese in the Cut told you, take my words and go copy it and go make some money. Okay? Don't just keep watching me make all this money. You go make some too, because I want everybody to eat. I love all you guys. You guys get what I'm saying? Motivation and self-improvement is number two. This makes a lot of money. Why do you guys think I'm always talking about I'm giving you guys motivation daily, because I already love it. First off, I live and breathe and eat and sleep motivation. And I get a great compensation for it. Mindset and business. We talk about mindset all the time. I tell you guys to start a business, a personal brand, things of that nature, right? Career and productivity. Being productive, adding value. Productivity equals value, okay? So things like that. Life advice for men and women. Huge RPM right now. Absolutely killing the game. You guys are also going to see some dating advice content from me as well. We're going to be opening up our niches a lot more this year in 2026. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff, all right? So trust and believe. It gets better than finance and motivation on this channel. We're going to be doing dating advice. Like anything you guys can think of that causes self-improvement, okay? So basically, just remember, YouTube pays based on who's advertising, not how hard your video is. You guys get what I'm saying? If that makes sense. So the video types that pay you while you are asleep, right? Let's talk about the videos that are going to bring you the most views, and that literally I'm still eating off that same video that I posted 7 months ago on how to save your first $10,000. Absolutely nuts, right? 7 months ago, literally. So how-to videos are number one, because what is YouTube? YouTube is the second largest search engine in the entire world. YouTube is not social media. YouTube is a search engine. You guys get on YouTube to search things you want to watch, right? It's not like TikTok where you're just scrolling and whatever pops up. No, a lot of you come to YouTube for a purpose, because you want to watch a certain style of video. You want to learn how to do something. You want to learn how to get better at something, right? So exactly. If you come on here and drop how-to videos, people are going to your title and your thumbnail or whatever your video is going to be highly searchable, which is going to make people come and find your channel. I'm dropping the sauce right now. Like, I really hope you guys are listening, right? Like things like how to save $10,000, how to fix your credit, how to save more money. Simple as that. Things that that is in high demand right now. Think of the most topics that are in high demand. Think of something that you would search up. I'm gonna just put it like that. Think about something that you are struggling with right now and what you would want to learn. I'm pretty sure there are a million other people in the world that are thinking the same thing that you want to know, and they want to know the same thing that you want to know. Simple as that. All right. Perspective videos. Basically, what is a perspective video? It's like the harsh truth videos. You know what I'm saying? Like telling people like why this is that, why they're going through this and that in their life. People go through things all the time, and sometimes they want to know, okay, why is this happening? Why is this happening to me? That's where you come in. You say, hey, this might be happening to you because it's happened to me before. Perfect. People love those videos, bro. Trust and believe. And make the videos 8 to 15 minutes long, because those mid-roll ads, the more mid-roll ads you have in your video, the more money that you are going to make. Okay, so that's why you guys see me making these 10 to 20, 30-minute videos, because look at these mid-rolls. Every time you guys get an ad, you know what I'm saying? And especially if you actually watch the ad and this and that. Thank you guys who watch the ads. Shout out to you guys. You know, one 10-minute video can earn you years. If you like, let's say you drop a video that solves a problem, right? That video can earn you money for like years, bro. Especially if you solve the problem, like I said. Right? So let me give you guys a posting strategy, okay? Let me help you guys just a little bit more, right? Upload 2 to 3 times a week. First off, build a library of videos, like I said, so you don't have to rely on always having to go viral, because you're not going to go viral every single day. You're not going to have a hit video every single day. But if you have a library of videos that are still gaining traction, you don't have to go that hard and get 10,000 views off one video. Those other 10,000, 5,000, whatever views you need to get to $100 a day, that can still help you from day to day, if that makes sense, right? So that's why it's important to be consistent. It's important to keep posting. It's important, no matter what, if you get a viral video, keep going, keep posting, because those other videos, they're gonna help. They're all going to help in the future. And YouTube is so powerful, because you can have a video that does no numbers, and a year later it can just now start going viral. I have over, I don't even know how many videos I have on my channel, but I could wake up tomorrow and one of them could be at literally 100,000 views just from overnight. That is the art of YouTube. That's why YouTube is one of the most successful, lucrative businesses out there, and that's why I take it serious. I don't know about you guys, but I post every single day. That's why I take it serious, okay? Now, this isn't about me, right? So let me keep going. Focus on titles and thumbnails. Your title and thumbnail is going to be 100% your bread and butter, okay? Do not focus on so much of the quality of your content. That's going to make up for time being sake, all right? You're going to get better at talking. You're going to get better at video ideas. You're going to get better. All that stuff is going to come. But you guys have to get the people in first. You have to intrigue the people first, right? Not saying do not clickbait them, but make sure things are searchable, right? Make sure things are relatable, and make sure that things are what's trending, all right? Like I said, people are struggling to save money day by day. So I love posting how to save money videos. It's really high demand. It's 2026. Everybody wants to get in their bag. Everybody wants to live a better life. Everybody wants to get out of debt. And everybody wants to pay their bills at the end of the day. So that is why I post a lot of how to save videos, okay? All right? And remember, let the videos stack over time. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. People are going to come looking for your videos. So think about it. If you start today, the first month, you may make, like, if you start today, you know what I'm saying, you could go anywhere from $0 to $5 a day, but be patient. This is where the patience come in. Around the 3rd, 4th month, then you can start seeing $10 to maybe $30 a day, which is still great money to save. Like, hello, that's still what it is, like an extra $300, $400 a month. All right. Then on month 6 to 12, now you can start hitting a $50 to $100 a day, and so on and so on. It's all about consistency, bro. I've seen $200 days on this app. Like, not consistent, but it gets like that. Literally, as long as you stay consistent. You know what I'm saying? So passive does not mean instant. Remember that. It means delayed freedom. It's going to come as long as you keep posting and you find the right RPM and use these RPMs that I'm trying to tell you guys. Do not go out there trying to be in entertainment. You're going to only probably make like $5 a day and you're going to quit. Be lucrative. Be valuable. Give yourself some value. You guys get what I'm saying? Don't be chasing viral videos every day. Don't be switching your niche too fast because something didn't work. Stay on one niche. If that is what you pick, please stay with it. Now, I had to switch my niche because I was doing it for 4 years and it didn't work for me. Okay, so now I switched my niche. It automatically started working the first 6 months. All right, it took me 6 months. A lot of you guys asked my inbox, how long did it take you to grow your channel? I've been doing this stuff for 4 years. I did entertainment for 4 years. I switched to finance and motivation. It worked the first 6 months. Okay, that's just God in my opinion. Not luck, it's God. But do not switch your niche too fast for the people who just now starting out. And quitting before because that's the thing. If you quit before the algorithm figures you out as a person, as a creator, it will never push you out. Your videos will never get pushed out. So that's what I'm saying. Do not switch your niche just because it's not working yet. Most people quit the video before they start making money. The video before they start blowing up. The video that would have paid them forever. Do not quit. Keep going. All right. If you want YouTube to pay you passively while you sleep, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because I'm going to be coming to you guys with a lot of videos like this. I hope I helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, make sure you guys comment under the video or text me at RecentTheCut on Instagram. I'm going to answer everything I can as much as I can. I get a lot of inboxes a day, so be patient with me. You can ask a lot of people. I respond. I try to respond fast as possible. But I get so many requests and so many messages a day. I love all you guys so much. I'll be so happy to help out, bro. Like, I really love this. And I don't charge anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not like these other YouTubers. Like, oh, no, you have to pay me $100 if you want to get some sauce. Like, nah, like, I love this shit. Like, I feel like this is, like, the game should be free to me. If you ask me, you know what I'm saying? Because why not? It's an inflation. We in inflation. We in a recession. And I feel like everybody should have the opportunity to eat. Because it's not easy, but it's easy enough that anybody can do it. You guys get what I'm saying? So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And y'all know I love this. Y'all know me back with more content. Y'all make sure y'all start posting that content too. Hey, ski.